In this video, I'll show you how to use the Facebook Plus subscription feature. First, open the Facebook app or visit the official Facebook website and log into your account. Next, go to the menu and open Settings and Privacy, then look for the Meta Verified or Account Center section. If the subscription feature is available for your account, you will see the Facebook Plus option. This is Facebook's official subscription service. Tap on it to view the benefits, which may include exclusive badges, ad-free features, and special customization options. If you decide to continue, select the subscription plan and complete the payment using the available methods shown on the screen. Once activated, the benefits will automatically be applied to your account. You can manage or cancel your subscription anytime from the same section in your account settings. If you don't see this option, it may not be available for your region or account yet, as Facebook Plus is still rolling out gradually. And that's how you can use the Facebook subscription feature. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.